come our team India girls. Just like you get one chance to make a home, our team, our girls have this one opportunity to make their mark in the sport of kabaddi. One chance to make our country number one, and their strong intentions will ensure their victory. And it is quite a star-studded lineup.
I had a lot of people wondering what's happening. Tejaswini Bai is there already. You know Coach Bhaskar really well.
Yeah, he's a man that's very experienced. In comes the first raid of the match, and it comes through Lee. All 7 Korean players standing at the line. India sort of confused, wondering who's going to come at them. And that is part of the beauty of the Asian Games. When you've not played against certain oppositions, you don't know what to expect. And this is going to be the key. Pooja for India has been arguably their best raider even yesterday. One of the few bright sparks, Pooja Hatwala, a left raider from Haryana. Not one of the 5 from Himachal. Oh, pursuit. Wonderful pursuit that from Joe. And just caught napping there. Pooja Hatwala. Tediokom. Like to see that man. He is an absolute energizer bunny.
Tejaswini Bai, the Indian coach, former India captain.
Yeah, should be more points. Easy points. She was never going to be up around her off the radar. And it was always going to be a simple job on that occasion. Neck. But India well and truly in control of this encounter. Running hand touch attempted. It's a pretty easy game to understand. And once you get some powerful athletes playing it, it starts to get really spicy.
Yes, I remember Poland, USA, England were in India for the World Cup in 2016. Running hand touch for India's Pushpa. Excellent. Knew exactly where she was going.
This has been a good raider to watch. Hyun Jong Lee came off the bench, and that has actually looked like their best raider.
Yes, she's got this live wire energy about her. 1 versus 4 now. Pooja Hatwala comes in, the number 9. 2 chains of 2 each. Which way is she going? I think she'll try and draw one of the corner fielders to corner defenders towards her for that running touch. Exactly what she was going to do there. A kick instead of a running touch. No bonus. She'll have to go deep there. Oh yes, gets one. It's a game of patience. To the number 14, Kim Joo-young.
Just to explain that to you, when you're down to 3 or less in defense, it's the only time that a defensive unit can pick up more than 1 point. So it rewards fearless defending. You get 2 points and not 1, which is what you normally get for a successful tackle. But I don't think this is going to be successful. That is a powerful raid and a clean-up act, courtesy Pushpa Rana. Has she been given out? Wow. I'm a bit surprised by that. I thought it would be an all-out, and I think Pushpa Rana is going straight up for the review. The question is, did her hand come in from outside the bounds of the court?
I don't think she had lost contact with the court. No, in this angle, it looks like she was out.
There you go, super tackle. 2 points to the defense. We were just explaining that rule to you, and it was nice of Korea to play it out and explain it to us.
There she comes with another. Resumes. 50-21 it is. Less than 2 minutes left now. Pushpa looking to take the Koreans closer to an all-out. She will get 1 victim for sure. Such an easy escape that was. Not much in that Korean defense. Has been had. She has been had by a single Indian defender. Pushpa now wants some tackle points as well. 22 seconds left. Can India inflict an all-out? It's all on Pushpa. Scoring the defender, trying to tempt her in. 1 for sure. 10 seconds left now. Only 1. If India can get this tackle right, it will be an all-out. It'll only add to India's kitty. And she has been had. And that'll signal the end of time as well in this match. Points for the all-out as well. 56-22 will be the final score. The hooter has been sounded. India storm back in the women's kabaddi. They have trounced, annihilated the Koreans 56-20 to a massive win after a disappointing tie against the Chinese Taipei. Congratulations to the Indian women's kabaddi team.